Christmas is in the air. And what better way to spread the festive cheer than with a dish that's sweet, spicy, and oh so healthy. Today, we're making sweet and spicy chicken tuna balls. Perfect for Christmas dinners or snacking while unwrapping gifts. Ready? Let's roll. Ingredients: 1 cup ground chicken, half a kilogram fresh tuna, 1 carrot, grated, and flour sliced, 1/4 tomato paste, 1 egg, half a cup flour, 2 tablespoon honey, 1 bundle of onion leeks, for cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 teaspoon soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 teaspoon fish sauce, half a cup of sweet corn, 1 cheese, and 1/4 chili sauce. First, grab a big bowl. Combine ground chicken and tuna for a protein-packed base. Now, toss in our grated carrot for that crunch, chopped onion leeks, and a dose of vitamin A. It's amazing for your eyes and immune system, especially during holiday feasts. Crack an egg to bind everything, sprinkle flour, and season with salt and pepper. And don't forget garlic, because every festive dish deserves that bold kick. Time to shape these into balls. Imagine each one as a little Christmas ornament. Cute, right? Now, heat up your non-stick pan. Place the balls in the pan, letting them cook until golden brown on all sides. While these cook, let's whip up the glaze. Pan, sauté some garlic, ginger, and onion, sliced corn, carrots, mix honey, soy sauce, fish sauce, and a touch of water. Simmer until thick and shiny, like the perfect Christmas gift wrap. Place these beauties on a platter, garnish with some fresh parsley, and boom, your sweet and spicy chicken tuna balls are ready to steal the Christmas spotlight. Celebrate Christmas with flavors that are healthy, festive, and absolutely delicious. Share this recipe with your loved ones and make this season unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd serve this on your Christmas table. Merry cooking and Merry Christmas! Tag us when you try this recipe, and let's spread the Christmas cheer one bite at a time.